How you doing, J babies? This is going to be a tutorial about my brows, okay? I have one on here, but I'm just doing an updated one because it was requested by a friend, Francine. So Francine, this is for you. This is how I do my brows. I start off by pushing them up. Let me turn this down. Not trying to have no problems, okay? So I start by pushing them up. I push them up. A lot of people like to gel theirs up. I don't gel it up because I just don't. I use a LA Colors pencil. That's what I do my brows with. A pencil. And I sharpen it. Sometimes I'll use gel, but I'm just going to do it with a pencil today. If I can hold on to the pencil. Okay, I don't know why I can't sharpen this pencil, but it's definitely not working out for me tonight. But we're going to keep trying anyway, okay? Now, this is what I do. I'm going to look over here because I need to see. Okay. I'm trying to look where you guys can look too. I just outline my lashes. They need to be done, but hey, don't come for me, please, because I ain't sent for nobody. All right. Just let's just pretend like they don't need to be done, okay? This is just a tutorial. And then I do the same. Well, I attempt to do the same to the other side. And of course, they never turn out the same. And I don't lose no sleep over that, okay? It is what it is. See, you can tell. See that one? See that one? This one goes up more. Yeah, it's whatever. Okay. Then I have this old CoverGirl pencil. It's out, but I like the spoolie on the end. So I just brush it out like so and brush that back. And it doesn't matter if it looks all jacked up because guess what? I'm going to clean it up with my concealer anyway. All right. And I use, what did I do with my brush? I use MAC concealer. And see, NW45, that's what I use. And I'll show you the color in a sec as soon as I find my brush. Should have had this ready, but you know me. That's what the color looks like. And yes, it's a mess. Once again, don't come for me. I utilize my stuff, so that's why it looks like that. Now y'all making me feel bad. So now I'm right here trying to clean it up a little bit. There it is. Looks a little better. All right, and I just go in and coat both sides of the brush. I use a MAC 212. 202 is either 202 or 212. Let's see if I can see it in here. Now, I don't know, 212, 202. But you'll see it on MAC's website. And I just go and outline my brows the way I want it. Okay? This is what I do. It's nothing fancy at all. Just go and Try to make it as straight as possible. And then I go to the top and line as well. Don't you hate when you have that bump just right in the way, coming right in the way of where you line it? So that'll give you that humpy effect. Blasted bump. Okay. And now it's shaped. Now if I want it darker on the end, I'll just go back in with the pencil and just darken that end up. See how I did that? That's one brow. Okay, that's one brow. We're gonna do the second one the same. Okay, these are my brows, and they are definitely not sisters. I don't even think they first cousins. They be second or third cousin. But let me darken this side up over here a little bit. Yeah, they may be second or third cousins, but they're still related. If you can get twins, then I commend you, because I can't never get twins. But this is how I do my brows. I clean it up in the middle and go about my business. See that? There you have it. And all I did was pat, pat. That's how I do my brows. Hopefully this helped you, Francine, and anyone else who wanted to know how I did my brows. Thank you guys for watching. As always, J babies, like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. So the next time that Poojae comes online, you'll be what? You already know. You'll be notified. Bye. Love you guys.